How's it going, guys? In this video, we're going to talk about how we can change the message tone for apps. Now, the reality of the situation is that most of the apps we cannot change the tone. Some of them we can, but many of them we cannot. We can, however, change all of the tones for iOS applications. So, for example, we can change the tone for our messages, which is right here, maybe our calendar or our reminders, and many other native applications that come with iOS. And for that, the way we can do that is we're going to head on over to settings. Mine is right here, but we can always swipe down from the middle of the screen like so. Type in the word settings. Okay, as you can see, the icon appears right there. Just click on that. And we're going to select right here where it says sounds and haptics. Click on that. Okay, so we scroll down. And right here in this section where it says sounds and vibration patterns, as you can see, my ringtone is set to reflection. And text tone is set to Aurora, voicemail to tritone, new mail none, set mail swoosh, calendar alerts chord, reminders chord, and airdrop pulse. Okay, we can change any of them. For example, for ringtone, I click there. We have all these options. You can select any of them. You can click on any of them, and it's going to give you a preview. Do that for all of them. We also have the other section that's alert tones. Just a little bit different style. I'm just gonna click on the default. So yeah, I like it. Head on back. And for text tone, it's the same thing. We can choose any of the alert tones we want. Mine is set to Aurora. We choose any of the ones on the list. Okay. Back. Okay, so which applications can you change the tone on? Third-party applications that are not native to iOS. Well, one that I know of is the Facebook Messenger one. Okay, I'm gonna head on back here. Okay, how do we change that? I'm gonna scroll up so that we know that we're in settings. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, so as you can see, the applications here start to appear right here. And for example, if I select 9gag, okay, I can choose, okay, I'm gonna scroll right here where it says notifications. Click on that. All right, so we can select the option to get notifications, and we can also select the option if we want sounds, for example, right here. But it doesn't give us the option, at least not in this application, it doesn't give us the option to select what kind of sounds we want. Okay, so we can only turn them on or off. But and this applies to all of the other apps. So any other application, for example, Amazon, it's going to be the same thing. I hit notifications. Okay, right here I have my sounds turned off, but even if I turn this on, it's not going to give me an option to select what kind of sounds I can get. So, for example, I know that the Facebook Messenger application does allow me to change my tone. How can I do that? Let's head on over back to the main screen. Okay, here's my Messenger application, but again, if you don't have it installed, you can go to the apps right here, to the App Store. So click on that. Just type in Messenger. Okay, and it's right here. I'm not gonna update, it's gonna take a while, but that's if you don't have it installed, you can install it right there. Okay, mine is right here. Let's click on that. Okay, so for example, if I want to change my notes, my text tones, when I receive a message, I can go right here where it says settings. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down and go to this section right here where it says notifications and sounds. And as you can see right here, it says messages. It says pop ding. I'm gonna click on that. So anytime anyone sends me a message, it's gonna sound according to the pop ding sound. But you can change it to the bird, the blip, gem, whirl, whichever you like. But you see, in the end, the application, the third-party application, has to have this option installed under application in order to change the tone. Some of them do have this option, some of them don't, but that's basically how it works for now. So thanks a lot, guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.